Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for Phonalicious, and today in this video, let me review the Honor 9 Lite. Honor 9 Lite is priced starting at Rs 10,999. Honestly, have a look at this mobile, and would you say or believe that this mobile is priced at 11,000 rupees? I could never believe it. Look at the other similarly priced mobiles. They all look like they have come out from the same mold, but Honor 9 Lite looks like a premium mobile. It has glass on both sides with glossy mirror-like finish at the back. Unfortunately, the glass is not a branded toughened glass on either sides. Honor claims that the glass is tough and not easy to crack. It is a lightweight mobile with its weight evenly distributed, so I think it must hold up against most cases of accidental drops. Also, the glass back is a fingerprint magnet, so the best solution here is to get an elegant back case for the stylish mobile. The bottom has all the ports and sockets. The SIM tray is hybrid. The fingerprint sensor is placed at the back. Without any doubt, the Honor 9 Lite is a stylish mobile. It is the best designed mobile in this price range. In fact, when you flaunt the Honor 9 Lite, nobody's gonna believe that this mobile cost you less than 30,000 rupees. Honor 9 Lite has a Full HD panel with a full vision display. The aspect ratio is 18:9 and the bezels are really thin. The display is bright and vivid. It has a good viewing angles. The colors are accurate. Text and images are crisp and clear under all lighting conditions. Under display settings, you would also find the eye comfort mode. I can say that the Honor 9 Lite has one of the best displays among all the phones in this price range. Also, the display is just 5.65 inch diagonally, making it a compact mobile to hold and handle. The Honor 9 Lite is a quad camera mobile like the Honor 9i. The camera UI has loads of features and all of them can be found easily. It is lag-free, fast and feels lightweight. The camera is a 13 megapixel primary camera with a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The quality of image output is impressive under bright lighting conditions. Exposure is good and details are rich. The images have good contrast levels and the sharpness is impressive. The secondary 2 megapixel sensor is only for depth sensing. The edge detection and portrait photos is good when there is ample light. Under low light, the detection algorithm is a hit and miss. The bokeh is rich and natural as it is controlled at hardware level. Low light photos from the rear camera are just about average. Both photos and videos are good under bright lighting conditions. It can shoot Full HD videos, but it does not have any kind of image stabilization. The front camera has a 13 megapixel sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The quality of image output is good and the selfies are sharp and natural. It can identify the gender and apply beautification accordingly. It can click and share detailed selfies when there is ample light. But as the light drops, the colors tend to become inaccurate. The Honor 9 Lite has a good camera and it is comparable to its slightly pricier cousin, the Honor 7X. Honor 9 Lite is powered by HiSilicon Kirin 659 and it has a 3GB or 4GB RAM variant with 32GB or 64GB internal storage respectively. During my usage, the mobile was smooth and lag-free. Gameplay was smooth and no visible frame drops. Even after 30 minutes of gameplay, the mobile did not heat up beyond 8 degrees. It also has the gyro sensor. Even the resource-heavy applications did not have any issues running smoothly on this mobile. It supports USB OTG and VoLTE. It has FM radio as well. Audio over the speakers is loud. The fingerprint sensor at the back is fast, accurate and has a versatile set of features. Overall, the Honor 9 Lite offers a good performance. The mobile is running on Android 8.0 with EMUI 8.0 skinned on top. It has a lot of features promising a better user experience. It has very few bloatware and these Honor specific applications can be uninstalled as well. The UI is rich and lag-free. Honor 9 Lite offers a smooth, pleasant user experience thanks to the robust EMUI 8.0. The mobile is powered by a 3000 mAh battery and the bundled charger is a 5V 2A fast charger. I get an average of 5 to 6 hours of screen on time under moderate usage. It gets charged from 0 to 100% in about 2 hours. Battery performance in Honor 9 Lite is satisfactory. Honor 9 Lite is priced at Rs 10,999 for the 3GB RAM variant and Rs 14,999 for the 4GB 64GB variant. The price difference is steep. For the 14,999, it has a lot of competitors, but the 10,999 has very less devices that has a chance fighting against the 9 Lite. In the design department, Honor 9 Lite is a champion with no competition up to Rs 25,000. So I would consider the 11,000 variant a better value for money. For that price, you would get a best design mobile with a good display, performance and camera. It is a neat package and that makes the Honor 9 Lite one of the best choices in the mid-range smartphones. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more of my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Phonelicious. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye. Signing off.